Hey guys, so today I am at Bukit Mertajam train station waiting for my friend. We're gonna be taking the train down to Ipoh and cycling the town of Ipoh, and after that we'll take the train back and come back. Okay, Steven is here behind me and we are heading up. So let's go. So I'm gonna use the touch and go card and head in with my bicycle over here. Going to platform 2. Platform 2 is this side over here. I think it's even easier to just use the staircase, right? Alright, we are at platform 2 right now and heading to the end of the coach. Bicycles are only allowed at the last coach of the train. So, the train is here. Alright, so here we are heading over to the train station, so we can put the other way around. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we are here, Ipoh. We arrived. Leave sana, okay, thank you. Okay, after about 2 hours, about 11 plus, we are here at Ipoh station. I'm gonna head to the lift. It's gonna be a problem. I think it's better for us to use the staircase. Oh, the lift is really full, like we see just now, and it's definitely faster just walking the steps ourselves. Okay, done. Kind of stupid that the escalator could go up over there, but not that one was not working. Alright, we are heading to our first stop, which is some kind of like under the tree eating place, according to him. So here we go. Okay, so first things first, we get this. And yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay, good. It's your order.
This one. I think that's about it. Don't want to eat too much. Alright, so this is what I ordered. The Yong Tau Foo stuff with some laksa. So apparently after lunch we are heading to the Lake Mirror or something like Sampo Tong on the way. Oh. This is the legendary Sampo Tong. Oh. This one look like Wong Pei Hong place, huh? Okay, let's try and go inside here. Okay, heading inside. Sampo Temple.
tomato vậy.
Tomato.
Review vậy sẽ chín nấu vậy.
Oh, there's still something over there. So I think it leads to some kind of special garden. And there's a special garden out here. Hidden garden. Yeah. Apparently, I think almost all of the temples over here will have this kind of thing where you have an entrance into the cave and then they have the temple, and after it comes out to a garden. Before this temple, there's also at least like 3 or 4 temples which is inside all these caves and all that. And I think this is probably their monastery or something like that. Looks old and probably nobody is staying there anymore. A little fountain. Looks Roman. I don't know. So then over here, I think, yeah, it should be the tortoise area. See tortoises, but of course not as much as the ones at Catlock Sea where the whole pond is like totally filled up. So now we are at this next one, the Ling Sing Tong. Also another like temple, huh? Hey, look at these two paintings. Looks like Chinese New Year. And then it's like a flying horse and an elephant. Yeah, I think this is some kind of famous story. The monkey god and the pig and the two guys. Up on the first floor, there's some interesting characters over here with what seems to be the limestone of the hill. So you've got like statues and figurines. I think this is the main hall. As you can see, we are inside a cave. That's Tasik Cermin. Okay, now we are at Tasik Cermin Ipoh, going inside the miners tunnel. Let me bring you guys in. Oh, the lake is actually inside there. So that's the whole style of this place here.
Macam pattern saja lah. Wayang saja lah.
You tend to go through a cave, and then you usually open up to a garden or a lake or whatever. As you can see right in front there, there's a lake. Same like the earlier temple that we went, they have a garden after going through the cave. And this one is the hottest, trendiest attraction right now in Ipoh. This is called the Mirror Lake. So obviously you're going to get some kind of reflection. See, wow, very nice. A very private and secluded lake. Photo spots here. Can go down this one. Okay. And
Yes, very good. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1.
this is the Kinlong Valley, and apparently there's a lot of coins all over the place. Yeah, you guys have a look. See, there are a lot of coins all over the place. Probably good. Oh yeah. Somebody just placed it here. Okay, now we are inside this Zhangjiang White Coffee place, and we're probably gonna order. But first of all, let me show you guys around the coffee shop. So they're famous for their coffee, and yeah, we're gonna order. Alright, now we are at this place called Yong Tau Foo coffee shop, and this is what they call Nasi Ganja. Look at this. Look at the amount of people. It's crazy, the queue. We just ate. We are too full. I don't think we're gonna eat. We just come here to have a look. So yeah, just to show you guys, this is Nasi Ganja. Okay, now we are at this funny mountain soybean shop for tau fu fa, ice kacang. Oh, got ice kacang.
Best in the world, I got you.
Hey, got ice kacang soya. Yeah?
Ice kacang soya. Right.
Ice kacang soya.
Soya milk.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
You soya milk.
No, 2 Michael Jackson.
Two Michael Jackson. Now we are at the art lane over here where they have like they paint all the murals. You can see people coming here to take photographs of the murals. And over here, all the murals. Graffitis. Yeah. That's about it. That's Ipoh's art lane. I don't know where we are right now, but we are probably near Concubine Street or the main wife street or whatever. Apparently, what is this? I don't know. Okay. Oh, there it is. Concubine Street should be, yeah, here. And we got, this is a famous coffee shop where they sell all those stuff, and then yeah, this is the one, Concubine Street. Walking into the Concubine Street. Yeah. Laksamana. Oh, croffle is all the rage these days. Raindrop cake. Shroom bros. Shroom bros. Come on. So yep, now we're at the end of the street. Well-deserved snow beer.
Well-deserved snow beer after the long journey.
After a long journey and hot journey, okay?
Wow, sống rồi.
Wow. Amazing.
Wah. Eh, 21 ada simpan tas yang go.
Okay, so here's what we ordered. We came back, check this out. Patty chicken with essence of chicken. So we are back at the train station. We're gonna take the train back to Penang.
Platform number 3.
Platform 3. Oh, naik dah.
Ni dekat-dekat.
3?
Ya, platform 3.
Okay. Again, take escalator at least. So we are back at Bukit Mertajam. There, this is the one. 25%. Oh, kumpulan. We are done. So heading to the car park because we drove there, and then drive back to Penang. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video has been beneficial for you guys. If you all want to try and cycle, see you guys. Bye.